Good morning. Let's have a black coffee. Wala kasing cream eh. Kaya lang, yan. This is really good for your for any stomach problem. Kapag may diarrhea ka, saka yung sakit sa tiyan, o kanang bulutod man, ay nakakapagaling ito, black coffee. There's a lot of sugar in there. There's too much sugar in there. Siguro more than 3 teaspoons. Ang lagay ko dyan kasi pakitamis kasi ako eh. Gusto ko yung medyo matamis na coffee. And along with that is a piece of sandwich. Siguro the best sandwich natikman ko sa buong buhay ko is this one. I like this ichipan. This is a Japanese sandwich. This is called ichipan maison. I don't know what that means in Bisaya. So here I am today in apartment. Medyo boring today kasi I have no one to talk to and I don't have a load. Wala akong all day. Ito po yung maliit na apartment na yung tinitirahan ng anak ko. Nandito po ako dito sa kanyang apartment. My son is sleeping over at the condominium in Horizon 101. So dito lang ako. I just kept the bed. Saka parang may repair doon sa baba. Medyo mainit dito na. Grabe yung init dito. I cannot take, dealing with the air coming from outside, from the electric fan or galing sa aircon. So, galing sa pagdidian, my mother gave my children ginamos, dinis, at saka dayot. Masarap itong dayot na ito, 65 pesos lang. So, kung walang ulam, yun ang uulamin. And yesterday I took, grocery, malit ang binili ko. Kasi yung black coffee ko, wala na kami rice almost. Consume na. Yun lang. At saka, yun yung electric kettle ko na binili ko doon sa South Korea. When I was in South Korea, pinadala ko sa Pilipinas na nagamit ko na naman. At saka, ito yung maliit na CR. I haven't cleaned the CR yet. Kagabi, naglaba ako kagabi ng mga damit ng anak ko. Still have a lot to wash. Ito lang yung pinaglulutuan namin. There's an electric pot, and then another is a rice cooker. Yun lang, maliit. Saka dito naman na side, ito yung mga staff ng anak ko, mahilig siya sa mga bululoy. Saka that staff toy was given to him by her classmate. At saka, yun lang, maliit na bago. Nadala-dala ko yan kahit saan ko. Medyo mabigat lang yan kasi it contains lots of documents. Ito yung maliit na bed ng anak ko. So, kapag nandito yung anak ko, nasa floor ako natutulog using foam. Mayroong dalawang foam dito. Okay. Ito na yung closet ng anak ko. Ayan ang closet ng anak ko. Hindi pa siya masyadong naka-arrange. No, so, yun lang ang kaya kong ngayon. And outside, I have a bishop here. When I come here, she comes here during nighttime, at saka in the morning. Parang gusto niya ito. Hello, Heaven. And this is the hallway. This is the second floor of this building. Yung magandang me time. Get us in. Come here. Oh, pusa. Nakalaw naman ako sa kanya kasi wala akong kausap. Mapunta siya dito. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hello, Mama. Ikaw daw. Mama. Op, 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 op. Mingkay. Op, op, op. No, 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 no. Come here. Come here. Go out na. Nina. Nina. Shh. Mingkay. Mingkay. Shh. Dili. Mingkay. Nina. Gas na. Nina. Shh. Nina. Mingkay. Sige. Bye. Bye. Sige na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. You say mama. Si mama. 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 Hi, Mingkay. Hi, Mingkay. Oh, diyan ka. Oops. Ang galing.